All right, guys, welcome back to another episode of the Black Bullion Show. Well, that didn't last long at all. Yesterday, gold and silver had the pullback that I had been cautioning people about for some time now. Both metals fell within the range of the Fibonacci retracements that I calculated and shared this previous Sunday. But as I've mentioned before, the pullback would not last that long. And of course, overnight, gold and silver both shot back up. And ever since then, we've been seeing both metals kind of settle around the heights that they attained. So why did gold and silver shoot up so quickly overnight? And why have we stalled so far? Well, find out shortly. But first, if you're new to this channel, please hit that big red subscribe button right below. Also, please hit the like button. Helps to get this economic evangelism right on out there to the masses to bring more people into precious metals. All right, so let's start with the 10-year Treasury note. Now, we have gotten up to almost near 0.70% with the 10-year Treasury note yield. We're at 0.681, as you can see here. And, it just seems like we've been tracking up even since yesterday. We're continuing to see risk on sentiment these past couple of days, essentially. And this morning, we saw a huge jump in the yield around this 2 a.m. area, as you can see here. Now, you guys know me, my spidey senses started tingling when I saw that. I was like, wow, well, why did that happen? Why did that huge jump occur? Well, take a look here. Around that same time, 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, gold shot up significantly. 2 a.m. Eastern Time, silver shot up significantly. And, they completely shook off that pullback and started climbing. So I started finding some clues. I hopped in the mystery machine, if you will, and stumbled onto this. So the UK enters recession after GDP plunged by a record 20.4% in the second quarter. Now, note the time when this piece came out, 2:05 a.m. Eastern. This is daylight time today. Here is Bloomberg's UK's worst slump in Europe raises pressure to sustain rebound. Note when this one came out. Same thing, 2:05 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. So with that, it just made me think, well, okay, obviously with this news coming out around this time, this must have impacted the 10-year and gold and silver prices significantly. And in addition to that, let's see what we can also glean from the pound during this time. So we have this article here entitled British Pound Finds Support as June GDP Data Beats Expectations, but Sharp First Half Recession Confirmed. So let's see what this analyst had to say about the pound. Said, the rebound in economic output in June is likely supporting the pound, though. But the fact that the pound is a risk-friendly currency is also helping it stay afloat amidst global recovery optimism and vaccine hopes. So remember, the 10-year yield had been climbing steadily. So we're seeing that optimism take place, especially with news like this. Check this out here. Trump says U.S. has reached deal with Moderna for 100 million doses of the Ronnie's shot. So check out this highlight here. Moderna's Ronnie's shot is in late-stage human trials, which will test its efficacy and safety in 30,000 people. The Massachusetts-based company previously said it could expect results as early as October. The U.S. government's deal with Moderna follows similar agreements it's made with pharmaceutical giants Pfizer, Johnson & Johnson, and other drug makers for their potential Ronies shot. We are investigating in the development and manufacture of the top 6 candidates to ensure rapid delivery. The military is ready to go. They're ready to deliver the candidate to Americans as soon as one is fully approved by the FDA, and we're very close to that approval, Trump said during a press conference at the White House. So Moderna is having a very good day. In fact, their stock actually surged 11%. We also had this coming in from Tesla. Jim Cramer says Tesla's stock split is good for the market because it appeals to young investors. And you know what? Jim Cramer is actually correct in this, because as you guys know, I like to check on the traders of my generation in the millennials by checking Robinhood data. And I use this service called RobinTrack, which allows for that. And as you can see here, Tesla is number 1 as far as what is most popular within the past 24 hours. Moderna is number 2. So I just spoke about both of those, just now. So everyone, gold and silver definitely got a boost from the recessionary news out of the UK. But with all of the attention going to riskier plays this morning, it makes sense why we've stalled a bit so far. Again, with attention going to Tesla and Moderna. So that was your Wednesday. Stay tuned for 2 more episodes of the Black Bullion Show by subscribing below, and also give this video a like. Thanks again for checking it out. Really appreciate it. It's Black Bullion.